In this video, I'll show you how to add system language or languages and set as default on Android. Begin first by opening up your Android settings app. My Android settings app is on my home screen and I'm just going to tap on it to open it. Once open, scroll down until you see where it says System. Tap on System. In System, look for the subheading that says Languages and Input, and directly underneath that you should see Languages and Region. Tap on Languages and Region. At the top it reads the following: your device apps and websites use the first supported language from your preferred language list. Preferred languages is currently set to English United Kingdom. To add another system language, tap on Add a Language. From the All Language list, you can scroll down to find a language that you'd like to add. I'm just going to use the magnifying glass at the top here by clicking on it, and I'm going to type French. Now that I've searched for French, I should see the French language in French. I'm going to tap on it to add this language. Next, I'll need to choose the region for this language. The region that you choose affects how your phone displays time, dates, temperature, and more. Suggested is Canada or France, but you've also got all regions below. I'm going to choose France. Once you've chosen your language and the region, it will be displayed as a second language with the appropriate numbering. So I've got English at the top and then number 2 is French. Currently my default system language is English. If I wanted to change this to French, I'd simply tap on the 3 vertical dots next to French and then I'd tap on Move Up. Change system language to French. Your device will use French and your region will be changed to France. I want to change my region, so I'm going to tap on Change. And there we go. All my phone's user interface will change to the French language. Now I don't speak French, so I'm going to need to go back to English. So find English language, which in my case is number 2 now. Tap on the 3 vertical dots next to it, and I'm going to move up the English language so that it is the new system default. I can't read French, but I'm going to tap on which I'm guessing means change. And there we go. English is now the preferred language. And you can see that by the text that says system default underneath the language. You can add more languages if you want. And in languages and region, you can adjust lots of settings here. Underneath the subheading more language settings, you've got app languages, speech, regional preferences, such as the region of your language, temperature, measurement system, and first day of the week. At the bottom, your Android device says, if an app doesn't support regional preferences, the app will use its default locale settings. So it's just important to know that if you see something irregular. Let's say if you wanted to remove one of your added system languages, like French for example, tap on the 3 vertical dots and then tap on Remove. French will be removed from your preferred language. You can add it again later. I'm going to tap on Remove, and just like that, the French language has been removed as the second preferred language on my Android device. And that pretty much concludes this video on how to add system language or languages and set a language as default on Android. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let you go?